Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by showing responsibility. Make a concise list of daily tasks, costs, and 2 people who will help. Explain why you want a dog and which breeds match your lifestyle, emphasizing size and energy. Once done, present a realistic schedule that fits school and chores, and highlight solutions for vet care and vacations. Make sure to invite a calm, honest conversation with your mom. Offer to take a trial period of extra duties to prove commitment and reduce her perceived risk. You now strengthen trust by bringing evidence, consistent chores, good grades, and a reference from a family friend or neighbor. Explain how volunteering at a shelter or pet sitting for 1 to 2 weekends will demonstrate reliability. Once she sees you in practice, she'll worry less. Present clear cost estimates for adoption, food, and vet bills, and propose an emergency fund contribution. Make sure to discuss rules, training plans, and contingencies so your mom can visualize manageable, concrete steps rather than You close by converting agreement into specifics. Propose a written trial agreement that lists tasks, discipline, and cost sharing for a set period. Once agreed, arrange a meet and greet or foster stay so your mom can experience the dog's behavior firsthand. Make sure to include training class enrollment, backup caregivers, and a clear return policy if expectations aren't met. If resistance remains, troubleshoot gently. Offer incremental steps, extra monitoring, or a refundable adoption fee to reduce her anxiety and make saying yes easier.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.